Prank Wars Part 1. Ready? So she
Don't ask me that. It's dormant. Not today, okay? Maybe tomorrow. Not today. Your dad is home today.
Yeah, but he was home yesterday. I said I couldn't go yesterday because he was here.
Well, then you need to, well, your dad is home. You need to be listening this week. Okay? I don't have. Okay. Love you.
Love you. That was my mom, guys. My mom. Oh. So you do this. To be quiet.
I had to drop the turtle off for Sunday school.
It's next Sunday.
You're leaving?
That was a really big sneeze. Did I sneeze on you? Gonna be part 2.